Why didn't doctors wash their hands? In the 1800s, many doctors did not wash their hands before surgery or childbirth. Even more shocking, the doctor who insisted on hand washing was treated as if he were insane. Mothers were dying from mysterious fever. In European hospitals of the 1840s, many women died after childbirth from a mysterious high fever. It was called puerperal fever or childbed fever. Some wards lost more than 1 in 10 mothers. In some hospital wards, more than 10% of mothers died. Medicine at the time could not clearly explain why this was happening. Semmelweis noticed a strange difference. Ignaz Semmelweis, a Hungarian physician, noticed that wards staffed by doctors had higher death rates than wards staffed by midwives. Doctors went from autopsies to delivery rooms. At the time, doctors often performed autopsies in the morning and then entered delivery rooms without proper handwashing. Semmelweis suspected that material from corpses was being carried to mothers. Handwashing with chlorine changed everything. He ordered doctors to wash their hands with a chlorinated solution. The result was dramatic. Maternal mortality fell from more than 10% to less than 1%. Doctors rejected the idea. The problem was that germ theory had not yet been established. Doctors reacted defensively. Are you saying our hands are killing patients? Are you saying we are dirty? Semmelweis was isolated and died from infection. His claim was rejected. He became increasingly isolated and was eventually confined to a psychiatric institution. Tragically, he died there from an infection at age 47. Pasteur and Lister later proved the point. Years later, Louis Pasteur supported germ theory, and Joseph Lister introduced antiseptic surgery. Only then did medicine recognize that Semmelweis had been right. A simple habit has a tragic history. Today, medical handwashing feels obvious. But behind that obvious habit is the tragic story of a doctor who saw the truth before the world was ready. We still call this resistance to new evidence the Semmelweis reflex.